Subscribe to Win Civil World, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Hello friends, welcome back. I am Vinod. Welcome to my YouTube channel Win Civil World. In this section we are going to discuss about the process of hydration of cement. What is hydration? Hydration is a chemical reaction taking place between cement and water, and the hydration of cement is not a very immediate process. The reaction is faster in early period and continues indefinitely at a decreasing rate. Now we will discuss about the process of hydration. Process of hydration. Dry cement is do not bind with aggregates. It has to be added with water. A chemical reaction happens in between cement and water is called hydration. Now we will discuss about the chemical composition of cement. What are the ingredients of cement responsible for hydration? Look at the table. In this table, it is tricalcium aluminate, tetracalcium aluminoferrite, dicalcium silicate, and tricalcium silicate. These are the ingredients which reacts with water, and the process is called hydration of cement. How the hydration process works on a cement water paste. This figure represents the mixing stage of a cement paste. Water is being added to the cement particles, and this is an unhydrated cement particle, and this is water which is filled in between the gaps. The silicates and aluminates, which is shown above in the table above, reacts with water and forms hydrated calcium silicate, hydrated calcium aluminate, and calcium hydroxide, which is called hydration products. These are called hydration products. This stage is called induction period and extends to about 2 to 5 hours. This figure shows hydration products accumulating around unhydrated cement grains and restricting the water from channeling into them. This is a figure. These hydrated products are also called CSH gel, which covers the cement particles as shown in the figure. The hydration proceeds, making it difficult for water to reach the unhydrated nucleus, thus reducing the rate of hydration. You can see in the figure it is getting denser and denser, and the cement particle is getting smaller and smaller. The hydration products fills the areas occupied by water. This goes on for a long period till the unhydrated cement and water molecules are left. Now we will discuss about the chemical reactions happening during the hydration process. Look at the table. These are the 4 ingredients which we discussed earlier responsible for the hydration of cement. These ingredients reacts with water and form the products responsible for hydration. These are the products responsible for hydration. The CSH gel is calcium silicate hydrate. Next is a figure showing the CHS and calcium hydroxide crystals. And the volume of ingredients in a completely hydrated cement paste is as follows. Etrigite is 5 to 20%. The CHH, that is calcium silicate hydrates, is 50 to 60%, which constitutes a major component, and calcium hydroxide is 20 to 25%, and voids are 5 to 5%. Hope you guys got a fair picture about the hydration of cement. Thank you.